Hello friends, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to see some of the basic settings on Facebook pages. What does that mean and how to use them? So let's get into it. So the first thing that you should do is, after creating your Facebook page, is you should choose a username. It is good, it makes you finding your page easy. So for example, if you have a brand name and you want that to be your username, you can do that. So if any person searches by your brand name on Facebook, it is easy to find you. So you can find out. Now many times it will take some time, like half hour or something, to find out a good username. Some people spend it. So find out a good username for yourself. Most of them would have been taken, but still you can find some good combination of yours. So let's go for a basic one. So FB ad agency is my username. Let's create it. So currently it is available, so I'll take it for now and use it as a username. Having a username makes it easy for people to find your page on Facebook search. So that's why always try to make a username based on your either it should be on your brand. First preference should be your brand name. Whatever is your page name should also be your username. This helps, it builds more trust and helps it to be found out easily. Now second, let's edit our settings. So let's go to settings and see our page settings and see what are the major things. So general settings are okay. It's generally about whatever your countries. If you want to put any restrictions, if you don't want to show this page to someone, you can change it here. It's not a big thing. Then comes page info. Page info, you should add a good page info. Now it does not mean that you should have to spend too much time, but don't leave it blank. It helps to improve your score of your page in Facebook eyes. If you don't have a good description about your Facebook page or any other things like your email and website, then in Facebook eyes it is suspicious. It makes Facebook suspicious and it will reduce your quality score of your Facebook page. So always have some description. A short description would be okay, like we provide marketing service and expert advice for your Facebook ads. Now anything, I would spend some time and write a good description, but it's just for a basic. You just need a short description of whatever your page relates to. It is good to write. In Facebook's eyes, it will increase your quality score. So always write some good descriptions. Here you can add your phone number, you can add website, you can add email, and it is better to add 3 of them. It builds trust even with your audience. When they come to your page and they find out that you have written down all these things, it makes them trust your page more. And also, as I said, it helps to build your Facebook quality score, page quality score. If you have some specific time of open and close hours, then you can write it here, Monday, Tuesday. So for example, it is best for services restaurant owner to add all their time here. So if you have a restaurant, if your client has a restaurant, this can be used as a good feature, so people can know when you're open, when you're not. So price range, if you have some products and you want to give a range of your price, then you can add it here. So this is the basic page info. Messaging, it's about Facebook Messenger. So if you want to add some settings, but it is currently not needed, we'll see ahead in the course how to use this feature. It is for advanced. If you want to go for messenger ads, then and then only, but we'll see ahead. Templates and tabs, if you want to add some other features to your Facebook page, which most of it I'll leave it as it is, because most of them have been added by the Facebook as a default. But still, if you want to add some other tabs, like you want to go for live videos, or you want to have some groups and you want to list all them in here, then you can add some tabs, but it is not necessary. I leave it as it is because generally everything has been configured by Facebook itself. If you have any events which are going to go ahead. You can add, manage your events, and you can sell tickets directly through Facebook. So if you have any kind of event, mastermind groups, or any educational event and you want to add it, you can add your event here and sell tickets online. You have any show that is going to go on, then you can add here. Notification, again, if you want to add notification about everything that happens, like new posts, new comments, then you can add here. Currently by default it is always on, so if you have on your phones and if you have the app on your phone, you will get notified. Advanced messaging, it is this advanced messaging settings, it's for if you have any newspaper or if you have any follower of your Facebook page and you want to interact with them, then advanced messaging is used. You can connect various apps like Buildroll or another ManyChat apps with Facebook ads and Facebook page, and whenever you have any post and if you have followers, you can send them directly with one click to every one of them using advanced messaging. Page roll, now this is one good feature which many of us use. I also use. If you have a team of people who do various other things and if you want to delegate works and roles to them, then you can do here. You can add their email ID or their page name. So if you have their email ID which is connected with Facebook, you can add it, and you can then select what their work is. They are advertiser, they can manage your ads. They are moderator, they can manage your page. They are analyst if they want to analyze. So whatever page role you want to give, you can give that. It is very handy, useful if you have many team members, or if you have team members across different international team members. You have team members in India, you have team members in in UK, then you can add page roles from them which can be used by them. So they can provide different they can do as they have been told. They can post, or they can analyze, or they can manage your ads. People and other pages. So you can see people and other pages that like your Facebook page. So it is not something that we have to, it's just to see here and there every now and then to see who liked your page and your audience. Preferred page audience is also not a very great thing. I leave it most of these things I leave it as it is. We don't have to edit any of them. Now Instagram and WhatsApp. Instagram, if you have an Instagram account and you want to link the same, all you have to do is just click on connect account, log in into your account, and it will be merged with this Facebook page. So anything that you post on it, you can manage both Facebook and Instagram from here. For all your posts, you can directly post it on Instagram. You can create ads. Now it is not necessary to have an account, but it is good to promote on different platforms. Now WhatsApp, as we all know that Facebook has acquired WhatsApp and it has integrated it into Facebook. Now what you can do, when we'll go ahead into ad section, you'll see that Facebook has now integrated a new feature where you can directly send people from your Facebook ads to your WhatsApp number. So let's say a person clicks on your ad, he will be sent directly to a WhatsApp number where they can directly chat, where you can automate and directly chat with them. And so you have to register one WhatsApp number, link a WhatsApp number with this page. So if you have, I would suggest to have a separate WhatsApp number which you can integrate with this page, so that if you run an ad, this is the first step you have to do before running an ad on WhatsApp number. You have to register it. They will send you a code and you have to verify it. So whenever you run an ad of WhatsApp ad where if any person clicks on your ad, it will be sent directly to that number. So have a separate number which will be linked to this page only. So if anybody clicks on it, he will be sent directly to the WhatsApp application of that number, and you can then interact with them. You can even go for automation where direct messages could be sent to them. So that's another whole new level. It has been started in late 2019 and 2020 only by WhatsApp and by Facebook, and this is a great feature of Facebook. Featured, again, if you have featured any pages, if you liked any pages, then it will be shown here, but currently we haven't liked any, so it is not showing. Cross posting, here you can add some pages who can take your videos and post on their page, so you can give them an authority using cross posting. If you want your post to be used by other pages and get some good traction, you can do that from here. Page support inbox, now it is for your contact with Facebook or people. If you have any problem or if they want to notify you with something, then here you will find out all your chats with Facebook support. They will send you, if you have made any request regarding your page, or if they have sent any notification specific to your page, you'll find it here. So this is whole about the settings. You can know what you have to do. Now the second thing to configure for our page is the add a button. Now here we can add a button as you like, depending on your business. You can go for a make a booking if you want to book now, get a quote. If you want people to contact, you can go for contact us, and when you select it, you can add your website link. So if any person clicks on this button, he will be sent to the website. If you have an e-commerce store, you can go for shop now. So if you click shop now, they can directly either go to the website link where your products are listed, or they can go, if your shop is integrated with Facebook have taken all your products and created and merged into this page. You don't have to do anything. All you have to do is just integrate Facebook page with your e-commerce page, and all your products would have been integrated into Facebook. So if you select this, it will directly link it to that page, and people can directly purchase your product from here. So if whatever page you want to select, you can go for this and add it. WhatsApp, you can again go for WhatsApp. You should have a linked WhatsApp number for that. So this is how you can add and change your button. Now some of the things to make sure that your Facebook page is always good is regularly posting some things on Facebook. Like if you have a Facebook, like for example, if I have a Facebook ad agency, I should every week post 1 or 2 posts on this page. It should not leave as an empty, because an empty page, it does not build a trust. So let's say before running any ads, at least have 4 to 5 posts on your Facebook page. It does not have to be your own specific post. You can find out different articles, blog articles, or it is better to have your own original content or content on your website. But if you don't have, you can find out articles from around the world, big marketers. Like for example, for me, it can be Stacked Marketer or another kinds of blog post. I would prefer to write my own blog post and share it on here, or have some 3 to 4 images. At least 4 to 5 posts should be there before you run any Facebook ads, because an empty Facebook page does not look good. Trust me, at least 10 to 20% of people who will interact with your ads will go and check out your Facebook page. In fact, nowadays many people check Facebook pages also when they interact with your ads. The reason for that is because they can know whether they can trust this page or not. If an empty Facebook page means that it can be a scam who just wants to run ads and they don't have any brand. So it is better to have some 4 to 5 posts and regularly post, like weekly 1 or 2 posts on your Facebook page would be good. It builds trust inside people, and also if you continuously post on your Facebook page, it also improves your quality score. Facebook will think that you're a genuine company and you're not a scammer. There have been times when people just run Facebook ads and they don't update their pages, they don't post anything on their pages for weeks, and their ad accounts get shut down because in Facebook's eyes, their quality score gets down, and people might dislike their Facebook ads, which results in Facebook algorithm thinking that your page is not good, its quality score is down, and they will shut you down. So it is better to add some 3 to 4 posts every now and then, every week. Also, it is good to have some good Facebook likes. So either you can run a Facebook page like campaign that we'll see ahead, or it is better to share your Facebook page with your friends, colleagues and families to get some good likes, because a Facebook page with 0 likes, it does not look trustworthy. People will not trust you. So it is better to have some good likes on this page. So before running any ads, at least share your page with your family, friends, or at least run a page like ad to get some good likes, like 100 400 likes, and it's easy. With like $20-30 you can get some good likes. So it will be a good thing, a good strategy. It can build trust within Facebook community with your audience, and even with Facebook's representatives. It will improve your Facebook page quality score. So thank you for this. We have now learned everything about Facebook page. That was the basic things. Thank you.